The bells have stopped ringing. The laptops are closed. They're checked in. And the grades are in. For most of you, school is officially out. Most people use this time to completely shut down their brains. But game changers know that summer, that's where the best power-ups are found. In the gaming world, they call this a side quest. And it's time to find yours. The shift we're working on today is learning without a grade. Welcome back to Pondering the Possibilities, the Daily Shift podcast. I am your host, William Ponder. We're in the final 2 episodes of season 3. And since the classrooms are empty, we're taking our big picture talk outside. During the school year, you learn because you have to. During the summer, you learn because you want to. At A Life of Pondering LLC, we define pondering as thinking about something slowly and carefully before coming to a conclusion or making a decision. Today, we're pondering a decision to use our free time to build a skill that has nothing to do with a grade book. The core lesson today is the passion project. You know, a side quest is something you do just because it's cool. It's challenging or it's helpful to others. Maybe it's finally learning how to edit video, starting a neighborhood car wash, or volunteering at a camp. These side quests are actually where you build the most big picture influence. When you do something without a teacher breathing down your neck, you know exactly what I mean. You prove to yourself that you are a self-starter. You aren't just a student anymore. You're actually an explorer. This summer, don't just pass the time. Use the time to find a skill that makes you stand out when the halls fill back up in the fall. Let's talk mechanics. Something that we've all heard before, the 1% rule. How do you stay sharp without burning out your summer fun? Ponder this. What is one thing you've always said you'd do if you had the time? Well, you have the time now. You don't have to work on it 8 hours a day. Just give it 1% of your day. That's about 15 minutes. 15 minutes of reading, 15 minutes of practicing a new language, or 15 minutes of planning a business. By the end of summer, those 15-minute side quests will have turned you into a completely different person. The Daily Shift challenge for today is to find and pick your quest. Write down one thing you want to learn or do this summer that is not for school. Tell one person in your squad so they can help keep you on track. Start your 15 minutes today. No grades, no pressure, just fun, challenge, and growth. Summer is a terrible thing to waste on just scrolling and sitting. Go find a quest. Go find something to conquer. If this shift gave you a spark for your summer break, hit that follow button and share this with your favorite person. I'll see you Friday for the season 3 finale, the new version. We're going to talk about how to walk back into the world as a total game changer. This is Pondering the Possibilities, the Daily Shift podcast, brought to you by A Life of Pondering LLC. Remember, my friends, change might not happen overnight, but progress should. So, get a little bit better today for your tomorrow.
Let me thank my Father for the morning. It's new mercy to wake with